The group of war veterans is challenging the Zimbabwe government's plan to compensate white former commercial farmers whose land was acquired by resettlement, calling the government unconstitutional. Usandapinda mashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanova war veterans ari kuchallenge the government is a 3.5 billion compensation deal for white farmers. Kuti subscribe like on the bell kuti ibina mnamuomula nyumba mchinzi. President Emerson Mnangagwa's administration is committed to paying 3.5 billion to just over 4,000 farmers, not for the land itself, but for improvements made to the land. The compensation scheme, first announced in 2020, is part of Mnangagwa's efforts to normalize relations with the Western governments that were critical of Zimbabwe's controversial land seizure and imposed sanctions in response. However, progress has been slow. To date, the government is paid just 3 million, covering 378 farms. The war veterans, represented by human rights lawyer and former finance minister Tendai Biti, are now challenging the compensation due in court. They argue that agreement cannot be enforced without new legislation passed by parliament. The former guerrillas are also questioning the secrecy surrounding the deal and the methodology used to determine the value of compensation due to each farmer. They are asking the High Court to declare the agreement unconstitutional and void. In an affidavit submitted with the court application, war veteran Joseph Ginger Chingowa argued that the government has failed to disclose how it arrived at the 3.5 billion valuation. If the compensation is instead for movable assets such as fencing, center pivots, tractors, or irrigation pipes, Chungwa contends that these must be subject to depreciation calculations before any payments are made. Domashwa anomudanyo kwa panapa atikona ma critics arikuya apangwa ine atikona ma war veterans challenge aiwa a 3.5 billion compensation deal yema white farmers arikunukwa kunzi how did the government arrive to that figure inoonekwa kunzi just 378 farms panguva ino ndo aripo and apana ma developments ambonyanya kumboitwa anoshamisira pa that land. Pinai kwa message medu dzamafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like and chat on the bell icon.